In this video, we're going to go over how to procedurally generate a biome with just 3 lines of Python code by using the TerraForge library. First, open your terminal or command prompt and type in pip install noise numpy pillow. Hit enter and wait for everything to install. Next, create a new folder for your project. Go to the TerraForge GitHub page. The link will be in the description. Click terraforge.py. Click the 3 dots at the top right and click download. Once it's downloaded, right-click the file and choose Show in Folder. Copy it into your project folder. Create a new Python file inside of your project folder and open it in your text editor. Now type these 3 lines of code. Run the code and check your project folder. You should see a biomap PNG and an elevation map PNG. In the next video, I'll show you how to customize your maps by changing the TerraForge's settings like the size, color schemes, and biome distribution. If you prefer written tutorials, check out the TerraForge Wiki. It already covers everything I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.